Many of my problems will now be solved. They sent me some tools. Nice. Let's hope I put it together the right way. Alright. You guys, this is going to solve so many different problems for me. Y'all know that I use a huge syringe to fill up my bottles. And whenever I have to put like conditioner, Holy Slip inside of a jar, the struggles I go through, I don't like air bubble. And this is, I don't know if that will be able to show in the video, but when you manually, the spatula trying to fill a very thick conditioner inside of a jar, without the help of a filling machine, that's extremely difficult. It can be done, but it can be tricky if you're trying to avoid the air bubbles. And I hate the air bubbles. It definitely does not look appealing. And the finished products, like you can see, I don't know, I hope this is showing. Well, I'm praying that very soon we will outgrow this and maybe need multiple of them by the grace of God. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I don't know whether I'm going to film myself putting it together because it's not really, I mean, look at it. It doesn't look like there's much putting together that need to be done. This is why I picked white when I was getting this, because I know there was a possibility this could happen. I picked white so that whenever I needed to bleach the heck out of it, I wouldn't have to hesitate, which is what I'm going to have to do here. Because the infusing oil is super concentrated, you guys. But we're going to keep working because I'm trying to get some much filming done before the sun goes down for the day. Plus, I got to go to work, so this is not aesthetically pleasing, but y'all gonna have to deal with that. I don't have a lot of 2-ounce bottles. I feel like I probably have like 12, or it's probably more than that, but I don't know. I don't want to pour the whole thing into the filling machine and then I have to now pour it back out and store it for later, for when I get more bottles. I just don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit at a time. Trying to see what color the Double D brush she got. Purple? She got the purple. So let's give them a purple keychain bend. Pray about everything, worrying about nothing. I really love that. And then we have a purple and gold heel charm that she can add to it. And basically make her own keychain if she likes.